All right, now that we know how to perform operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division on integers, let's evaluate some expressions now using division. Well, we have two variables, x and y, and we're going to say x is equal to negative 18 and y is equal to negative 6. And we're going to take those two numbers and we're going to substitute them in for the corresponding variables in the following three examples. So number one just says x divided by y. Well, x is negative 18 and y is negative 6. So now we are dividing, we have the same sign, so our answer will be positive, and 18 divided by 6 is just 3. All right, number two, we have x plus 6 divided by 3. So we're now adding in some addition along with our division. Well, x is negative 18, so negative 18 plus 6 divided by 3. Let's simplify our numerator. Negative 18 plus 6 would be negative 12. And now negative 12 divided by 3. Our signs are different, so we know our answer should be negative, and 12 divided by 3 is 4. So our answer for x would be negative 4. All right, for number 3, y squared divided by x plus 4. Well, y is negative 6, so negative 6 squared divided by negative 18 and then plus 4. Negative 6 squared would be negative 6 times negative 6. So two negatives multiplying together, that's going to give me a positive. So now this is 36 divided by negative 18 and then plus 4. Now we're doing 36 divided by negative 18. So two different signs, our answer should be negative. And 36 divided by 18 would be 2. So negative 2 plus 4, so our final answer would be 2. So that's how we can use addition, subtraction, multiplication, division to evaluate some expressions.